The LEVOIT Core 600 SP Replacement Filter. The breath of fresh air your purifier deserves. Ever think about how your air purifier feels? Probably not, but the LEVOIT Core 600 SP 3-in-1 Replacement Filter might make you start. Swapping out the old filter will be easier than deciding to order takeout again. The moment it clicks into place, your LEVOIT purifier will sigh in relief, or maybe just the HEPA sleep mode kicking in. Speaking of sleep mode, it's so whisper quiet that ninjas could take notes. Your home will feel like a fresh alpine meadow minus the yodeling. Allergens and funky odors will vacate the premises faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. In short, this filter doesn't just clean air, it elevates it to a level of purity that would make monks jealous. It's highly recommended for anyone who enjoys breathing. So don't fall for off-brand copies. Go with a genuine LEVOIT filter replacement. Adios, muchachos.